The Johnson family plays games for a total of 11 1/4 hours during the 3-day weekend. What is the average number of hours per day that the Johnson family played video games? So, this is the information that we're given. That the family plays 11 1/4 hours games. And they do that in a 3-day weekend. Well, the question is asking how many hours per day. This kind of gives a hint that this is a division problem. And what makes this so hard is that, well, it's a fraction. There's a fraction involved. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a picture in order to kind of visualize this kind of situation. So I'm going to draw 11 1/4 hours. So this is 1 hour. I'm going to draw 11 of these bars and 1/4. So right now I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 1/4. So I'm going to cut this bar into 4 pieces. 1. And I'm going to highlight inside just to make it a little bit easier to identify. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 1/4. These are the number of hours that the Johnson family spends playing video games. We know that they play this in basically 3 days. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to create those 3 days. This is day 1. This is day 2. And this is day 3. We are going to try to split this up. I'm going to try to split up the hours evenly between the 3. So I'm going to put this guy right here in here. So that's 1 hour in there. 1 hour for you and 1 hour for you. Well, I can add more hours to each one. I can add that hour. So that's 2 hours now. 2 hours. Well, I still have more I can put in there. 1, 2, 3. Now here becomes a problem. I cannot split the remainder equally between the 3 days. So we need to come up with a solution. Well, this is just a suggestion here. This one right here is already cut into 4 pieces. What if I cut the other 2 into 4 pieces as well? I'm going to cut them into 4 pieces. The reason why I'm cutting them into 4 pieces is because this creates it so that it's easier to kind of distribute. If I cut them into pieces, I should be able to give them more pieces. Okay, I'm going to give each part a 1/4. I'm going to give each part a 1/4. So I'm going to give this part, this 1/4 right here, to this guy. This 1/4 to this guy. This 1/4 to this guy. I can still give more 1/4s. So I'm going to give them more. You get this 1/4. You get this 1/4. You get this 1/4. Well, I can still give them more. 1, 2, 3. We're all out. Notice, and I'm going to write the answers in blue, each day has 3 total and 3 fourths. So they have 3 fulls with 3/4. 3 total and 3/4. That means each day they are playing 3 3/4 hours of games.